Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this video we want to learn how we can open and exit an app in our Unity project. Okay, let's get started with our scene which I've made here. It is a sample scene and it has main camera and direction light, and the main camera has open exit app script. So let's open it in the Visual Studio and let's see what is inside of this script. First, you will see using system.diagnostics, and after that, in the variables, I've defined process P, and here I come in here it is public void open app. First, I create a new process, and in here I said, okay, use shall execute true. It's for whenever we want to open an app directly. And in here it says p.startinfo.filename. In here it is address, and here it is the file name, and in here this is the format. You need to be sure that the address has to be like this. Until here it is the file at a folder address, and in here this is your file name and format name. For example, I want to open this Word file, and this is test.txt. This is the address: video tutorials open exit app in Unity, and after that the file name test, and the format is ducks. And in here finally, whenever we have this variable and this variable, let's start the P to start the process. And this is my function for close the app. P new process dot kill. It's try to quit and exit from the application or whatever we have opened. Okay, let's test these functions with void start. I call this void open app void here, the same in the first moment of scene launch, the void start, and I want to remove that application or that file we have opened after a specific delay. For example, 5 seconds. First, it tries to open my test file, and after 5 seconds, try to kill it and exit from it. Okay, and now I saved. Okay, let's open the player, and that's it. It is my Word file, and after 5 seconds, it has been closed automatically by my script. But it is automatic. Let's do it manually. Okay, so I made the difference here and I comment them, and now I make 2 buttons, and this guy 2 for better see. And here I say open button, open. Okay, and now the last one is close. Okay, both of them attached to the my script, the main camera. Okay, and for the open, let's open it by open app and close by close up. Okay, Now I press open. Perfect. And in here, close. It has been closed by my script. Okay, so you can call this function whenever you want. For example, after do a specific function, let's to open a file or another application, or even uh, whenever you want to use another functionality to management the close app, for example, by undisable, or I don't know, after timer, or after call by UI, or after call by another function, you can remove that application you have created. So okay, this tutorial has been finished. I hope this new technique will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video. Have a great time. Bye bye.